Ever wondered about the driving force behind a company's success? The person steering the ship, making the tough calls, and ultimately shaping its destiny? We're talking about the CEO, of course. And today, we're diving deep into the world of Revel System, consulting to uncover the story of their leader. But before we get there, let's paint a picture. Imagine a world where businesses, regardless of size, can seamlessly integrate cutting-edge technology to optimize their operations. A world where complex IT challenges are met with innovative solutions, and where growth isn't hampered by technological limitations. That's the world Revel System Consulting strives to create. They're not just consultants, they're architects of digital transformation. They help businesses navigate the ever-evolving tech landscape, providing tailored strategies and solutions that drive efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and ultimately boost the bottom line. Now, leading a company like this takes vision, expertise, and a whole lot of passion. It requires someone who understands not only the technical intricacies of the industry but also the human element, the needs of the clients, the aspirations of the employees, and the impact on the wider community. So, who is this individual at the helm of Revel System Consulting? Who is the CEO? The answer is, insert CEO name here. Now, simply stating the name isn't enough, is it? We want to know more. We want to understand the journey, the background, the driving forces that have shaped this leader and their vision for Revel System Consulting. Insert CEO name here. S story is one of insert brief, engaging background story of the CEO. This could include their educational background, early career experiences, what sparked their interest in technology and consulting, etc. Focus on making it interesting and relatable. For example, it's not your typical Silicon Valley origin story. CEO name: didn't grow up surrounded by computers. Instead, their passion for technology was ignited by insert interesting anecdote or experience. This experience instilled in them a deep understanding of mention a key quality or skill that the anecdote illustrates, e.g., the power of technology to solve real-world problems, a quality that has been instrumental in shaping their leadership at Revel System Consulting. This early experience, coupled with mention-relevant education or professional experiences, laid the foundation for CEO name's career in the tech industry. They quickly rose through the ranks, demonstrating a remarkable ability to mention key skills and qualities, e.g., identify emerging trends, build strong teams, and develop innovative solutions. Give a specific example of their achievements or contributions in previous roles, if available. For example, before founding Revel System Consulting, CEO name played a pivotal role in mention a significant achievement, e.g., the successful launch of a new product or the expansion of a company into a new market. This experience honed their skills in mention-relevant skills, e.g., strategic planning, project management, and team leadership, which proved invaluable in the creation and growth of Revel System Consulting. But what truly sets CEO name apart is their vision for Revel System Consulting. It's not just about providing IT solutions. It's about building lasting partnerships with clients, understanding their unique challenges, and empowering them to achieve their business goals. Expand on the CEO's vision for the company. What are their goals? What makes their approach unique? For example, CEO name believes that technology should be an enabler, not a barrier. Their vision for Revel System Consulting is to be more than just a service provider. They aim to be a trusted advisor, guiding their clients through the complexities of the digital world and helping them unlock their full potential. This philosophy is reflected in the company's core values, which include mention company core values, e.g., innovation, integrity, and client focus. This commitment to client success is evident in the way Revel System Consulting operates. Describe the company's approach to consulting. What makes them different? Do they have a specific methodology? Do they specialize in a particular industry? For example, Revel System Consulting takes a collaborative approach to every project. They work closely with their clients, taking the time to understand their specific needs and challenges. This allows them to develop customized solutions that are not only effective but also aligned with the client's overall business strategy. Their team of experienced consultants brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table, ensuring that clients receive the highest quality service. Beyond their role as CEO name is also mention other relevant roles or activities, e.g., a thought leader in the industry, a mentor, an advocate for a particular cause. Give a brief example or anecdote that illustrates this. For example, CEO name is a passionate advocate for mention a cause or area of interest. They believe that explain their belief and how it connects to their work or the company's values. This commitment to mention the cause is reflected in the company's mention any related initiatives or activities, e.g., community involvement, sustainability efforts. So, as you can see, CEO name's leadership at Revel System Consulting is more than just a title. It's a reflection of their passion, their expertise, and their unwavering commitment to helping businesses thrive in the digital age. They are not just leading a company. They are shaping the future of technology consulting. Their vision, combined with the talented team at Revel System Consulting, positions the company as a key player in the industry, poised for continued growth and innovation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.